Hey, I'm Tiffany. I'm a PM at Pendo working on Novus. Being a PM on a 0 to 1 AI native product means I'm responsible for even more than I was before. So it's not just doing the discovery work, the strategic thinking, the tactical execution. Now I'm empowered to contribute in ways that I just simply couldn't before. I'm actively bringing new concepts to life through code, and that might mean prototyping a V0 concept, just to get early reactions or to improve the experience itself in production. So the biggest shift now is how I ideate and prototype. So before joining the team, I would sketch things out in Miro or FigJam, and I even layer Novus's MCP on top of that brainstorming just to make sure that my ideas are backed by actual product data. And so the result is I can take something from an early idea to a live working version that my team can react to, discuss, and just drive stakeholder alignment much faster and with less effort. Something I'm most excited about is further exploring how Novus shows up earlier on in the agentic build loop. And so I was partnering with an engineer on my team to flesh out a data-informed planning skill that is going to be available within Novus's MCP to ultimately help builders make better product decisions while they are actively scoping new features in their AI coding tools. One thing I didn't expect prior to joining the Novus team was just how much customer empathy I would build by actually rolling up my sleeves and building things myself. Novus is, of course, designed for product builders, but that meant I needed to actually spend time in the terminal, in AI coding tools, understanding and feeling that experience myself to better understand where and how should Novus show up in the future. That was genuinely outside of my comfort zone. I had never contributed to Pendo's code base before prior to joining this team, but that hands-on experience gave me a clearer sense of what are we actually solving, and it gave me a firmer opinion on where I think we can make the most impact going forward. So Novus understands how your product works at a deeper level by analyzing your code base. Then it also monitors your product data. It's constantly monitoring your product data, searching for themes, friction, or any issues in your user experience. It can then take it a step further to further diagnose and investigate that issue, create an implementation plan to fix it, and put up a pull request to actually instrument that change in your code base. So you don't have to go looking for these signals. You don't have to set anything up. You can rest assured knowing that Novus, your product agent, is looking out for your product experience.